Welcome to our short video calibration of strain sensors to a known force. Do you not know the strain on your machine, or do you have a known reference force to which you want to calibrate your strain sensor? Then the following video will help you. After you have connected your strain sensor to the suite, double click on the sensor and click on the add-on. Here we go. After you have mounted your strain sensor on the machine, you will usually see the process value in micrometer per meter. Due to the mounting, this value is already unequal to 0 at the beginning. In the first step, we want to eliminate this assembly influence by activating the teach-in offset tearing. The process value now shows 0 micrometer per meter. In the parameterization sensor adjustment section, under customer sensor adjustment, you can select the corresponding unit. For our press, we choose kilonewton. Then enter the maximum force of your system or press in the nominal process value. This value should be greater than the value that will be applied later. I will enter 150 here. In the next step, you activate the teach-in sensitivity by setting it to enabled. Under process value, you now enter the force that you can apply with your press. I will enter 100 kilonewton here. Now you can load your press to 100 kilonewton. After you have applied the 100 kilonewton load with the press, you perform the sensitivity teach by activating and deactivating it again. The process value now jumps to the applied force of 100 kilonewton and the sensor is already taught to the force. Finally, it is recommended to deactivate the teach-in sensitivity again, so that the value is not overwritten by a mistake. Now we are at the end of our video. In the operating manual you will find the whole topic under teaching the sensor characteristics via the teach-in process.